Get ready for the latest innovation from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. In this video, we'll explore the cutting-edge specs and features of this highly anticipated foldable device. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 boasts a unique book-style folding design, combining two seamless panels for an immersive viewing experience. When unfolded, the internal display measures 7.59 inches with a 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth visuals. The external display measures 6.23 inches, providing sharp clarity even from different angles. Its HDR10 Plus certified feature ensures vivid colors and stunning visuals every time. It features a triple rear camera, including two 12MP wide-angle lenses and a 64MP telephoto lens. For selfies, the device offers a 10MP main front camera and an 8MP depth sensor. And with a powerful 4,500 mAh battery, you can enjoy long hours of usage without worrying about frequent recharging. Powering the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, delivering excellent performance for seamless multitasking. With up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. While the exact release date and price are yet to be confirmed, industry rumors suggest that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 could hit the market in the second quarter of 2023, with an expected price tag close to $2,000. As competition intensifies in the foldable phone market, Samsung may aim for an earlier launch to stay ahead. With its stunning design, impressive display, powerful camera setup, and top-of-the-line specifications, it promises an unrivaled user experience. Stay tuned for more updates on the release date and pricing, as we eagerly await Samsung's next leap forward in technology. Thank you for watching this preview. Be sure to subscribe for more exciting tech news and updates, and many more headlines in various categories. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the future of innovation.